What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sweet Baby Ray, and I am back with another video. Today I will be doing a review on this 613 bob wig. If you want to know where I got this wig from and how I styled it, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so this is the wig. This is from SamsBeauty Color Bomb collection. This is Cassidy and number 613. Out. This is the card, the different colors on the back. I'm sorry. She gonna keep making me laugh, y'all. I wanted like this one with the dark roots, but they ain't have it, so I just went for the whole 613. Boy, it's in a bob shape. Woohoo, cute. Go ahead and put her on. No more waiting. Put her on. And maybe, so last time I said, like in my last video, I'll be struggling with my lace closure, so Bree can help me with this part. I'ma just
like glue it on first. I don't know how well that will work.
And then cut it.
Yeah.
I usually, I started doing that. It's easier. I'm about to just go ahead and adjust these straps because I need it tight. So it has 2 clips in the front. You guys see that? 2 clips in the front and then 1 in the back. This wig is ventilated. You see the tracks right there. And it's a middle part. Whoa.
Yes. I love it. You don't like it?
I don't know.
What's wrong with it?
I never had 613.
That's your thumbnail right there.
Oh wow, y'all. This is giving me, what's her name from Players Club?
Oh, no, what's her name?
Ronnie. Wow, y'all. This is super sleek. First of all, super sleek, super blonde. I'm getting like Barbie vibes. Oh my goodness. So this is Cassidy. I'm about to go ahead and fix her up and then be back to talk more about her, okay? All right, y'all. So I'm back. I did a lot of changes. I went ahead and fixed my baby hairs, and then I put a little glue so it won't slide, and then I cut it. As you guys can see, it looks so much better as a blunt cut. Okay, this is the back. Period. It's so cute. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm loving it more. So yeah, this is once again Cassidy. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of the information in the box below. If you have any questions on this bomb wig, as you guys can see, it's very silky. Okay, so if you have any questions, please do not hesitate, leave them in the box below. It's your girl Sweet Baby Ray. Thanks for watching.